Dal, we require 1 cup of chana dal. This is chana dal. Okay, 4 to 5 onions, 2 green chili slit, 1 tablespoon of jeera, half a teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is saunf, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic, few curry leaves, 2 tomatoes. Okay, now dry ingredients: half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. In a jar, I have added all the ingredients: onion, ginger garlic, jeera, fennel seeds, peppercorn and green chilies plus curry leaves. So we'll we'll grind this and make a fine paste. The masala is ready. Now chana dal, we are supposed to soak it for 1 hour's time. Okay, I have soaked the dal and I'll pressure cook this for 1 whistle, not more than that. Take a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. I am using coconut oil here. I am adding half a teaspoon of methi. Allow it to crackle. We are not supposed to leave it for a longer time. It should not get burnt. Light brown, add curry leaves. Now add masala. Okay, fry the masala. This masala has to be fried on low flame at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, keep mixing it. Fry this on a low flame. Okay. Keep mixing. Till you get nice aroma, you have to be frying this. You can leave it on a low flame and do your work, other work. In between, you can check this. See, unless you see the color change. Okay. Till you get nice aroma. Make sure you fry this on a low flame. If not, your masala will get burnt and you will not get a proper taste. This masala should be fried at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Till you see oil gets separated. Now add all your dry masalas, that is chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder. Chili you will be adding little less compared to your family taste, because we have already added green chilies plus pepper powder, peppercorns and then chili powder. So check the taste and then add chili powder according to your taste. So now all the dry masalas I have added, fry for 2 minutes. We will be adding the chopped tomatoes. 2 tomatoes I have chopped it. Now I'll be adding salt. I haven't added salt to dal also. Dal was only plain cooked dal. Mix well. Now we'll add some water. Half cup of water. Fry few minutes till the tomatoes are cooked. Added some more water. Okay, and allow the tomatoes to cook well. Dal is ready. I have not added anything to the dal. Now I will be adding the dal to the masala. Mix it well. Allow it to cook on low flame 5 to 10 minutes. Our dal is ready. This dal I have learnt from my grandmom. Okay, this goes really well with rice, ghee rice especially, and chapatis. If you want to make it little more liquid, you can add some more water, but I'll stop it at this end. Hope you enjoy this dal. Okay, if you like this dal, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Our dal is ready. Okay, I'll serve this. Our simple dal is ready.